Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your headphones automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, it may be a problem of your audio player. So let's say you listen to music on Apple Music or Spotify or your browser. You need to remove this application from the cache and then open it again and check. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Google Play and check if you have the last version of your audio player and update if you haven't it. If it didn't help you, next one I recommend it to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, we need to turn off these headphones. So at the left ear cup we have power button. You press and hold on it for at least some 2 seconds and you will turn off your headphones. Now your headphones are disconnected from your phone and then we need to reconnect them. So we need to turn on them and press and hold power button again, also for 2 seconds. Here we go. After that, check, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, the last one I recommended to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to turn off these headphones. So press and hold power button. After that, you need to press and hold at the same time power button on your left ear cup and play pause button on your right ear cup until the LED light flashed 4 times. So press and hold. It's something like 7 seconds, but I recommended to check this LED light, not count. Here we go. After that, we need to remove these earbuds from your phone and then add it. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. After that, click forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the bottom, at the top. And if you have iPhone, you can turn off and turn on your Bluetooth. Now we need to turn on it, and we don't need to enter to pairing mode, so we just keep holding it for 2 seconds, not for 6 seconds. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. Maybe I need to again reopen my Bluetooth. And after that, tap on your headphones at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.